Hello, welcome back. Now I'm showing how to download Podman Desktop and how we can able to install in our laptop. Okay, see now here you can see this, right? What is the Podman? Podman will be useful for containers and to build that containers and all. Previously we have seen Docker Desktop, right? Same thing like this. We have Podman Desktop. If you click on this, it will. This is the thing. Okay, this is the website. If you want to go here, you can download it. See this one, you can download it here. Fine. Once downloaded, it will pop up. Yeah, some security. Let me unverified. Yeah. Oh, already I downloaded. Let me go here. It is downloading. It will take some time. Yeah, allow access. See here, you can do whatever you want. You can use Podman and start onboarding. See, whatever you want, you can do that. In coming video, I'll show you how to pull this everything. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Now we can able to set up this. This is a dashboard, right? Go here, setup. See whatever you want. Just everything. You want to go with any resources. You want to set up Podman, okay. Go here next. It is verifying the system requirements to install Podman. You can do whatever, like any databases you want to do that. Anything we know, right? Like Docker, how we can able to do that. Same thing we can do in Podman. It will take some time. See here, it is been verified Windows version and RAM, and there is some virtual machine platform has to be enabled. You can enable here. Yes, it will take some time. Copy the link, okay, and open. Yeah, this one you can execute in your PowerShell. Okay, copy this. Okay, open PowerShell. Just give enter. Okay, what we can do is eval permissions like that. It is use terminal with administrator. Just give enter. Yeah, now it is taking, right? See here. Yeah, it's completed, right? Now you can go here. Just again, what we can do, check requirements again. It will take some time. We have one more thing, we can skip it also, but later time we may face the issues. For that reason only I'm enabling the virtual machine platform related things and all those things. In this script, if you notice this, this script indicates without restart. Okay, I can recommend if you restart, okay, your laptop, that will be better. Okay, it will update automatically. For that reason it is, see here some checking problem. Once reboot the system, we can able to get it. Okay, and I'll reboot. I'll come back. I restarted the laptop, still the issue is same. Why? Because of this is the version. Okay, there is a lower version. I hope it has been updated in this computer. Okay, let me verify WSL version. Okay, let me you can give update directly, or you can use first verify with version. I think this is not supporting. It has to get it right. Some issue is there. Let it be. We'll try to update directly. Okay, update. No, this is also not functioning well. Maybe operating system is not suitable, I think so. Maybe then I will go directly into the store. Okay, WSL means Windows subsystem. For Linux means it will work internally for Podman. Okay, for that reason we are trying to install it. Second method, this is not functioning, we'll try with this one. It will take some time, let it be. We'll see how it goes. This is not functioning. We'll try with this store. Okay, Microsoft Store, we can download and we'll try to install it. Then we'll try to again we'll verify the configuration settings. Still it is getting, it is updating. We'll see. Preparing to download, verifying the license for device. Okay, now it is installing it. I think so 199 MB. Okay, 2% has been completed. It is taking time for me. 35% has been completed. Okay, it's going fastly. After that we'll verify again. We'll go back to Podman and verify. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, almost it is done. 199 is completed. It is done almost. We can close it. Okay, go back to Podman, again verify. Yeah, it's done. See, it is ready to install Podman 5.3. Okay, in coming video I'll show you how to do all those things. Okay, few minutes back I told, right, WSL as per screenshot, like we have seen, right, we have given WSL version, right? It's not working. See, it is updated. Because of that, previously it's not working, right? Now it is updated. For our clarification, I'm saying you can give WSL hyphen version. Okay, then WSL dot exe hyphen version. This is also fine. Previously it's not updated. Now you can see the version, WSL version is 2.3. okay, previously we have seen 1 point something, right? Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Go to the setup. It is asking for next. Again it is going to verify system requirements. It will take some time, just 1 or 2 minutes only. Now you can see here, yes, installing Podman. Okay, Windows, right? We installed with Linux subsystem. Go with this one only. Yeah, it will take some time. And it's going on, but we have to make sure our drive should be we need to keep some space in my laptop. I think so. Let me show my here. Go here. See, C drive is completely filled. Okay, we may get issues later on, but now it is okay. Once you are spinning up like databases or containers, right, and in that case we'll get the issues. Keep some space. Okay, it is installing. Again verify this space, how much it is occupying. 5.5. Meanwhile we'll see in with help of Podman, okay, desktop, we can build container images, managing containers and creating pods. We can deploy Kubernetes with OpenShift and the databases also. You can pull the databases whatever you want. Suppose you want to pull Cassandra database, or you want to pull some other databases like MySQL, PostGres also we can pull, and you can start workout. Okay, again back. Now you can see it has been installed successfully. See here, you can see the version 5.3 version be installed. Okay, thank you. And how to deploy the containers and how we can able to build these things later we'll discuss. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel.